We want to unite. We want to send a clear message that these are our streets. We've worked hard to create unity, and we have a community. We're not going to let fascists, we're not going to let racists and the far right march here.
It's absolutely disgraceful, and I'm standing here against that, and with the community here to show that, you know, we're totally opposed to fascism then, and we're totally opposed to fascism now.
I can't believe it's happening again. I was around in Thatcher years. I can't believe we used to get up in the anti-Nazi marches, and here we are again.
A situation that we cannot